Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make deposit on OneXBet app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on OneXBet and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of OneXBet apps on in the screen, where you can see menu option at bottom right corner. Just click over there and you'll be redirected to the another section where you can see deposit option at top right corner. Just click on it and finally you'll be redirected to the official deposit page of OneXBet app. So you can see lots of deposit options. You can choose any of them and it will ask you for your credentials. Once your credentials get complete, click to confirm and you will be able to deposit on OneXBet app successfully. So basically this is how you can deposit on OneXBet app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.